How do you manage your family?
Sometimes it gets like hard to manage the time for family, but still they understand this. Now after attempting the Guinness World Record, I have been so busy. I have to attend the programs and all. I have to go other countries to perform or to learn something, and I'm still studying.
Do you like India?
Because I have so many Indian fans and followers who loves me so much and supports me so much. Nepalese people, they love me so much, but more than Nepalese, I have so many Indian followers, because what I thought was like, when I broke the record of one Indian girl, so every Indians will like, they won't support me and all. But after when I broke the record, and then the next morning I got so many messages from my Indian followers and all that. So I liked Indians people so much, and so this is the reason why I'm coming to India and I'm visiting this. And I love Indian peoples also, the religions, the cultures and all.
How much money is earned when you achieve Guinness World of Records?
Did you earn money from Guinness World Record or anything else? But it's not like we earn money from Guinness World Record, it's only a certificate. But we also have to run our daily life, we also need financial things and all that, but we don't get it from Guinness World Record. But
how do you motivate girls for achieving success in their life?
Firstly, those who are watching me, I want to say, like, to those parents, if your children wants to do something, if your children has desire to do something, then please don't push them back, always push them front. If my parents didn't did that, then I won't be in this stage now. So everything, if your children desire to do something, then you like give them freely. And about women's or about girls, I was previously I was also not a stable girl before my Guinness World Record. Now after Guinness World Record, I have been performing for this. No matter how many times you fail or something, so you go on in your aim. You keep on going, and you just have to be a desire to do something, and tell your parents that you want to do this and you want to get success in your life. You want to make your parents proud, make your country proud, make the whole people's proud. So the only thing we have to be is a desire to do something. And it's a patience also, because I am a girl who can't like get a patience, and if I want to do this, then let's do this now only. Opportunity is like running here and there in front of you. You just have to grab it. But patience is very much necessary in your life, in every people, not only for women, not only for boys, not only for dancers, not only for players, or every people needs patience. So if you have desire to do something, you just wait for the time. It will come when the time comes.
Will you perform in Indian reality shows and stage shows?
If you have achieved something, it does not mean you got everything. It's not that. Yes, of course, I have been successful by dancing. Of course, I'm available for stage programs, and there are some in my pending lists also from schools and universities of India. And I'm also available for stage performance, because for a dancer, the only income source is we do stage performance. It's the only income for us. Yes, I'm available. It's not that I have reached to the height and now I won't dance. It's like whenever and who else like call me for any universities or for any schools or any stage performance, then I'll be available for sure.
Was it really continuous 126 hours?
I didn't have any meals. I just had drink and fruits. But it's of course continuously 126 hours, but there was break for 4 hour 5 minutes break was there for restroom and for some rest. So I used to dance continuously for 4 hours, and to add time for 20 minutes, and I used to go washroom for 5 minutes, and after that 15 minutes remaining, I used to just like add up the time. So this was like my time management. And about the food, I used to drink only the soft drinks, all the fruits and some chocolates, and I didn't have meal for 6 days, because it was not like in Guinness World Record there was a rule that you can't have meal. So yeah, drink only. Guinness World Record has sent me the rules like I can't have meals for till 6 days, and so I didn't have meal for 6 days. And about the rest time and break, I have 5 minutes per hour break time. It was for 5 minutes I have to go to washroom and all that rest time, but I used to dance continuously for 4 hours, and it's like 20 minutes total, and I used to go washroom for 5 minutes, and then 15 minutes remaining I used to add up the time. And I told, like, on the 70 hours I was so weak and I had to take rest. So on that time I had 30 minutes remaining, so I slept for 30 minutes.
What is Bandana Nepal Foundation?
I have been established an organization to help those children's, youths, and especially women's. So this foundation will work for females, children's, and all the youths. So anybody if they want me to support this organization, then they can contact me. I have also the page of Bandana Nepal Foundation, so they can also message me, contact me, so that your money can save someone's life, can make someone's future. So I just want to make everyone educated. Everybody is equal in everywhere, not only in Nepal. Bandana Nepal Foundation, it's a worldwide foundation which will not only help Nepalese, because as Bandana Nepal is a worldwide girl, she has a Guinness World Record fame, so she will also help to other countries' peoples. Let it be of India, if some women are in problems or anything, that people, if they say like you have to work for it, please help them. So then I will be available for any countries people, not only of my country. So if anybody wants to help me, please help my foundation, my organization, and help any women's, youths, children's, then please contact me. And if you want to contact with me regarding this foundation, then you can see the description below.
So this is my friend Raman. He has a Raman startup, and I will take you the first of his Raman review.
Thank you. Okay, so what's your friend name?
His name is Arun Kumar.
Okay, thank you, Arun Kumar, from this only. So can I open this?
Yeah, please.
So ये कहाँ से open करना है? From here? This tape, right? Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, this is me. Wow, this is so pretty.
That's the first gift for the world's rarest personalities.
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
That's why I asked for it.
Yeah. I was thinking like it's a normal like photo frame where I can keep the photos and all. I never thought about this. So thank you for this. What's his name? Arun. Sir, thank you for this. Yeah, thank you for you also.